The word diligently, which is highlighted in the passage, probably means A. carefully and attentively, B. slowly, C. loudly and rudely, or D. sloppily. We see the word diligently in the fourth paragraph, which I have posted here. When Alexander's turn came, he did his best to ignore the scribbling of the people sitting in the front row who were diligently taking notes on his performance. We can understand the meaning of diligently by taking a look at the context it's being used in. There are many boys competing for the choir, and the process is taken very seriously, as we see from the fact that there are several stages to the auditioning process. Based on this, it doesn't make sense that the judges would be taking notes loudly and rudely or sloppily. Slowly also doesn't work well in this context, as Mr. Robeson walked in and immediately got things started. It's obvious that the judges are keen to get things moving and see every boy's talent, so they wouldn't sit there slowly taking notes. A, carefully and attentively, best fits our context and can be therefore marked as our final answer.